Today we're talking about customizing labels in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Open up the inspector and down the bottom left of the column you'll find the Labels list. To customize this, click on the Edit option. Every label has a colour, and these can easily be customized by double-clicking on the colour circle and choosing another colour. If you want to repurpose a label, simply double-click on the word and overtype it. To add or delete labels, use the plus and minus icons at the bottom of the box. If you want new documents or folders to always have a particular label, click on it and select the Make Default button at the bottom right. Otherwise, nothing particular will be selected, which is what that little No Label is at the top. You might also want to give these markers a different name, other than labels, that relate to what you've chosen to use. You can do this by simply changing what's in the custom title box. Next time, we'll be talking about doing the same thing with status.